Hello, good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to end the last part of our second chapter. This is page number 17 on our book Resource and Management, and now we are going to start our topic conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. We have been read about the conservation of soil, natural resources, land. Now, it is also very important for us to conserve the natural vegetation. So, what comprises of natural vegetation? Natural vegetation comprises of all sorts of plants, animal, birds, which are found at the particular place. That is known as the natural vegetation and wildlife. So it is very important for us to save the forest. The deforestation should be avoided. The killing of animals should be avoided. Use of insecticide or the pesticide in the excess in the in the farming field should be avoided, as well as killing as well as trade of animals should be stopped. So it is very important to do such thing. Now we are moving to the chapter conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Forests are wealth. Plants give shelter to animals and together they maintain the ecosystem. Changes of climate and human interference can cause the loss of natural habitats of the plants and animals. So it is very important that change in climate of a particular place, as well as the human activities like killing of animals, deforestation can cause loss of the natural habitats. So it is very important that the interference of the human should be limited, and many species have become vulnerable or endangered, and some are on the verge of extinction. It refers to see many of the species of animals and as well as bird as well as plants are now not available to us, which are available many years ago. Why they are not available to us? Because we are doing deforestation as well as killing of animals is taken at a large place. Deforestation, soil erosion, constructional activities, forest fire, tsunami. See, you can see that the spelling of tsunami start from T, while when we speak the pronunciation is tsunami, that is S, not T. So, and this is very important for us that we should know about the pronunciation of the spelling. It is starting with T, but we have to pronunciate it with as tsunami. And landslide are some of the human made and natural factors which together accelerate the process of extinction. See, this are the activities which are some of these activities like deforestation and soil erosion and construction activities are just because of human being, while the forest fires, tsunami and landslide are the natural factors which have affected the process of extinction of natural resources. That is why the as the fire causes the extinction of forest, as the construction activities we are building lots of houses and colonies by cutting trees, so we are also harming the natural resources. One of the poaching that result in a sharp decline. Animals are poached for collection and illegal as well as feathers, trade of hides, skins, nails, teeth, horns. See, the animals are poached and collection and illegal trades. There are many illegal trades which are which are gone in the forest areas, like the trade of their hides, their skins, nails, teeth. You know the teeth of the elephant, which are very beautiful, and that is why only the animals like The elephant were killed and hunted by the hunters just for their teeth, horns, the many just as we are having this example. The if you can see in the picture, black buck also need protection. This is a black buck, and it have a beautiful horns. As you can see, it have two beautiful horns, and for beautiful horns, it were this kind of black bucks were killed by the human beings, and the even for the peacock feathers, we see the peacock, many people kill peacock for its feather. Some of this are animal are tiger, lion, elephant, etc. Such are large huge number of animals which are hunted, and for their for their feathers, they can be conserved by increasing awareness. The only way to increase the conservation to conserve the animal is to not by not killing them. Each and human beings are the only who are killing this animal. So if we stop killing them, that is the only way we can help them to live with us. Now, in the next paragraph, national parks, wild sanctuaries, biosphere reserves are made to protect our natural vegetation, wildlife. Conservation of creeks, lakes, wetland is necessary to save the precious resources from the depletion. See, each and every animal, they have their own natural vegetation. Each and every animal need a particular type of atmosphere, a particular type of vegetation where they can live. So it is very important that we should also take care of the type of natural vegetation, the forest, the lakes, or the snow part where such kind of animals found. See, you say that you are not killing the animal, but you are destroying the house, the forest of the animals. This is also the reason there will be a fall, or there will be depletion of the wildlife resources. So what I want to say, that let's suppose you are saying that we are conserving the animals by not killing them, but still you are doing deforestation, you are cutting the trees, you are cutting the forest. So what happened, on the place where this all animal lives are mostly the forest, and the areas like mountains, like desert areas. If you are destroying all this, their natural vegetation, where they will live? They will not able to live. So it is very important for us to also keep the natural vegetation, the natural area, or the nature of the particular place in the way the animals which live there want. So it is very important for us that we must start some awareness program. In India, we have a lots of awareness programs like One Mahotsav, which is celebrated every year. The main reason behind such kind of program is to aware the students, and most of the people who are aware in this kind of programs are the students. And many countries have also passed laws against the killing of animals. In India, we have also passed a law against killing of animals as well as birds. It is very important for us to understand that the great Indian bustard, which is known as Godawan in Hindi, is found only in Jaisalmer. The people in Jaisalmer have a very important role to save the natural vegetation of a great Indian bustard. And in the paragraph, if you see, an international convention cites CITES has been established that lists several species of animals which trade is prohibited. Conservation of plants and animals is an ethical duty of every citizen. So here there is a one international society which is doing a work of conserving the different kinds of animal. They listed lots of animal birds which are on the border of extinction and they should be saved. The great Indian bustard, peacock, tiger, each and every animals which are about to extinct are in this list. So it is a moral duty, and being a student, we are the future, you all are the future of this country. It is very important that you should be aware about the conservation of natural vegetation as well as the conservation of animals, because you students are the future of our nation as well as you are the tomorrow of this world. Thank you. I hope you have got a good knowledge about this lesson. Still, if you have a problem, you can just WhatsApp me personally. I will try to answer your queries. And in this chapter is about to close. In a homework, what you have to do, you have to find out the question and answer, and if possible you can write down the question answers of this chapter. The question answers are on the page number 20. There are some small exercises as well as some activities. 1 2 3 4 5. I think there are all this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all these question answers are just from the book. You can do it. So finally, this is your homework. You have to do all question answers in copy. If it's not possible for you to find out some question answer, you can ask me or WhatsApp me personally. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is the corona time, so you all should take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.